I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. This is original 1970 Nova paint on this car. Original vinyl top, original interior. I put new BF Goodrich TAs on it. Pretty amazing. Thank you. And start it up. On the low beams on the headlight, high beams on the headlight, right hand blinker, left hand blinker. Everything works as it should. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you. I'm gonna do a little driving video. A neat, nice driving car. See how it goes through the gears and how well it runs and drives. It drives probably just like the day that it came off the showroom floor, I'm assuming. I wasn't there, so I don't know. Thank you. We'll go through the gears one more time here.